Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Deviled eggs. That's what I'm doing. These got to be the most ratchety deviled eggs I've ever done because it's peeling. Come on. Anyway, it's Thanksgiving and I'm thankful for them. We're going to use them. I'm going to put, I boiled them and then put them in hot, cold water, ice cold water, and then let them sit for a little while. Peeled them, washed them, sliced them, and now I'm going to make the inside of my deviled eggs. And listen, there's 100 ways to do deviled eggs. I kind of do just the standard, and then, you know, salt, pepper, mayonnaise. Now I like them any way you want to do them. I've had them with jalapenos. I liked it like that. My family, like the imaginary farmer, he likes salt and pepper, and that's it. He doesn't even like pickle relish in his. So I'm going to make them like he likes them. And then to spice a few of them up, I'm going to put a olive on top that has been sitting in Tabasco sauce. I love a deviled egg. And I'm getting ready to just taste this. Because I had some that just, I can't even keep them together. And I'm going to have me an olive on mine. And I'm using the avocado oil mayonnaise. That's what I'm talking about right there. Okay. Now I'm going to use this little, you know, caulking gun thing. I don't even know what you call it. I know I had to replace my old one because my old one finally bit the dust. Had it for years. It was from Pampered Chef. Can't even remember what it's called. You don't have to do this part. You can spoon it in. No problem. But if you have one of these little wingy-ding things, it does make it nice and neat. And Lord knows, as ratchety as the outside of those shells look, I need something to look neat on top. My family does not care, but you know. They want it to taste good. That's the important thing. Okay. Let's see if I can manage this, y'all. Okay, come on now. Have I done this wrong? No, there it goes. Woo! There we go. Lord, I'm making a mess. Glad I like deviled eggs, y'all. Alright, let's see here. Okay. Is that all of it? Lord. Okay, look, I gotta just get in here. Because I know there's more than that in here. There is. We're gonna use it. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna suck that out. It's gonna be my snack this afternoon. Alright, do I have enough right here for one more? Maybe. Come here, you little sucker. And I'll just have to eat that one. I'll take one for the team, okay? And yes, I'll have an omelet. Okay, y'all, this is my rendition for this year for deviled eggs. I am going to sprinkle just a tiny bit of paprika. Paprika. I'll just do this in of paprika and then they can choose what they like. And I thought I might add a few bacon bits to some of them. You know, that's the nice thing about eggs. They take on the flavor of whatever you put in them. And they're loaded with protein. Okay, I'm gonna grab some olives, and this is going in the fridge until tomorrow. I got some cousins that are going to love those. They're going to love them. All right, that's enough. Then my family will have a choice. Bacon, hot olives with Tabasco sauce, paprika, salt and pepper. That's what I'm doing, y'all. Deviled eggs. How do y'all do your deviled eggs? I would love to know in comments. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching Cooking Cutting Up, keeping it real.